Welcome to the Karen and Sarah Show.
So today we have a special treat from Sara. She got it at Target. And it's a food truck of gummies. But we're not really sure. We don't know. So it says that there's Kraft mac and cheese gummies, Clausen pickle gummies, Oscar Mayer hot dog gummies, and bagel bite gummies. But we don't know.
When I originally bought it, I was thinking they were going to be like the flavor of all of them, but the more and more I keep thinking about it, they might just be shaped like that. I don't know.
And nothing says, it doesn't say. It says artificial flavors, artificial colors, so healthy. But it doesn't say anything. So I guess we're about to find out, because I think a hot dog flavored gummy is going to be disgusting.
That macaroni one will be.
You think the macaroni is going to be the worst? Oh, we didn't.
Oh, they're so
individually wrapped.
There's bagel bites, hot dog, pickle,
Artificially flavored mac and cheese. It's like it's like one noodle. Can you see about it? We don't have Andy anymore to show you about it.
And then there's that bagel
You
bite.
gotta put your hand behind it like makeup. There's this pickle.
Do we show them the hot dog?
I don't know. Hot dog.
Okay.
Ugh.
Is that everything? Okay, so we have an extra hot dog and an extra
Mac and cheese.
Okay.
All right, so what are we gonna start with?
The pickle.
Oh man.
Bagel bites.
No, we'll do pickle if you want to do pickle.
Okay.
You don't think it's gonna be pickle flavor?
I don't know. I'm starting to wonder if it's just shaped cute.
It smells like fruit.
Is it gonna be just a gummy?
I don't know.
This is gonna be such a lame video.
This is gonna be such a lame video if it's just straight plain gummies.
Okay, go. Not pickle.
Straight gummy.
Like lime or something.
Well,
I guess the rest of these are gonna be like that, huh?
and try that mac and cheese. Cause is that pickle flavor?
No, that's like lime or something.
Or you want to try a bagel bite? Well, sorry that this is gonna be such a lame video. We thought.
What's your smell like?
Weird.
So cute. See? So cute.
Such a pizza.
Okay. Go.
My cheese was coming out.
No, so Mom.
What's that taste like?
I don't know. Not bagel bites.
No. Well, I like that pickle one better.
Well, I guess we'll just be done with this video since this is lame.
Thanks for joining us for the Karen and Sarah Show.
Bye.
Bye.